All right, next we'll look at a couple of dimensional analysis type problems. And both of these, and number 4 here, are going to rely on this conversion. It's going to be a critical part in both of them, this conversion. And since these are equal to each other, when we divide both sides, so if I take this and I divide both sides of it, say, by 1 inch, I get that 1 is equal to 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch, which is equal to 1 inch, because when you take 1 and you divide 1 by itself, it's still 1, which is equal to 1 inch over 2.54 centimeters. So we have two conversions here that we may need to use in this problem. Okay, and the whole point of this thing is if we multiply by either of these, it doesn't do anything to the quantity, it only changes the unit. So let's see how that works. Start out with 8.26 centimeters, and I want to convert it into inches. And so this guy right here is a bad choice because this one right here, inches does not cancel centimeters. So I want to cancel centimeters, so I'm going to use the second one. 1 inch on top and 2.54 centimeters on the bottom. Centimeters. And now my calculator can do all the rest of the work for me. 8.26 divided by 2.54. Okay, and it spits out some giant number, of course, or not a giant number, but a lot of decimal places. And so this is a division, and our starting number had 3 sig figs, and so our answer needs to have 3 sig figs, so 3.25 inches. All right, and then this next one's going to make us do a little bit more work. 75 inches is where we're starting, and we want to get to meters. Well, I certainly don't know a conversion directly from inches to meters. But I do know that I have a couple of conversions here that can convert inches to centimeters. And then if I've got my handy table of metric conversions, I can convert the centimeters then into meters. So that's how I will handle it. So I'll use this top one now, 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. Inches cancel. And now, again, you should have your table handy. 100 centimeters in a meter. All right, and I'm going to start showing you guys how to put this stuff into the calculator. Parentheses 75 times 2.54. Oh, I'll put in the 1 divided by parentheses 1 times 100, close parentheses. Okay, I put everything on the top and then divided by everything on the bottom. Okay, the calculator spits out 1.905, but I know that I can only claim 2 sig figs because my starting number here only had 2. So 1.9 meters.